Right, back with another video. We are going to link up this lead magnet. So inside, I've always had a subdomain which I use for some of my lead magnets and free stuff, and it runs off free.davidfrosdick.com. So I have that. I have some other subdomains I use for different things as well, but some of my main lead magnets are in here. So I built this one overnight, which is, so this is WordPress that you're seeing now, and here is just this lead magnet. And it is my 40 lead magnet ideas you can go and get. Okay, so I want to link this landing page to this button here, so when people click on it, they go to that landing page. Now, it's a different design completely. I'm not worried about that. As long as it looks good on mobile is my only concern. Let's open up Notion and go to my main page. So now I'm back in Notion. Remember, all your pages need to get to them are inside this little, how I've added them here in this toggle. So let's go back to my button at the top, which is here. So this is my button. So what I need to do is edit. I'm going to remove the link first, and I'm then going to highlight like that, and then I'll just go link, and I'll paste that in, link to page, and we're done. That's that done. I'll go and test it. So it just has to sync up. So that we've added the link in Notion. Let's go back over to Popsy. What we need to do is click on the refresh button to pull it through. That should then pull through. Yeah, if I hover over, I can just see down the bottom left of my browser. So looking right down here, let's move my head up. You can see that goes through. You can see it showing. If I click on it, it should open a new page. And that will happen as well on the live site. So if you're visiting, let's jump actually see the live site here, which is this one. Let's reload this. All this font and things should have changed by now. This should have disappeared. I might have to clear the cache. Let's get rid of the inspector. There you go. So that hasn't, I need to clear my cache actually. And there's clear cache on this page. You always got to clear the cache when I'm using Popsy, or if you're using it, you might find you clear the cache, you can see the changes pull through. There's the small font look from the previous video I showed you, and the page is gone. Let's go back up and let's click on this, click on that. So it's now live. If people land on this site, they're going to see this page. They can still grab my lead magnet. So that's that done. I then need to link up this one to my course launch map, which I think is, I need to build a landing page for that. However, I can possibly link that through to another, I think it's possibly on Gumroad as well, so I can link it there. I've got this to link through, which is linked through to my YouTube. That's going to Gumroad as well. Courses, I need to actually build a courses page on there for the courses that I've got. Optimized Press, that's going to go through to Optimized Press page, Shopify marketing page, and Amazon. So I've got to build all the content for these 3 pages as well still, and that's all I'm going to have on this page. Let's link this up to my Gumroad. So if I go to Gumroad, that'll open up a new window, and then if I bring up Notion, I want to go to my course launch page. So we'll build a landing page for that eventually. Where it is pre-launch map is here, look, so I can just use that for now. If I click on that, people can still enter their email and get this course launch map. So this is really, if you don't have it yet, go and get it. It's a little video and a PDF that talks you through. If you've already got an audience, you want to launch something, that's what that's about. So I'm going to link that one because that's one of my primary lead magnets. So back to here, edit. Let's remove the link. One of the cool things that Popsy does, right, if you add in icons into your buttons, they convert them into really nice looking, add emojis into your buttons, they convert those into really nice looking icons in your pages. So that's the same with the socials as well. So if you have, I'm trying to think of an example for social icons, I possibly do. I have my podcasting page, they've done something on there which is really neat. So it basically takes a button and converts it. They do it with social. So if you're using social and you type in, or if you're using social buttons like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, they automatically convert those and put in the little icon of that social network. So it's really neat. So yeah, these ones are actually all images. So it's worth looking. If you are not familiar with Popsy and you want a free template, go onto my Twitter account. You can find a free template there. I'll probably put it into one of my freebies and my downloads. And you can get it. I'm not sure if it's on Gumroad. It might be worth having a look. Message me if you want it. I'll publicly post about it as well and put a link below this video so you can get, you can download my free template, which is actually my whole site. my whole Popsy site done in Notion. You can download it and use it for your own sites as well, okay? So I will share that with you. So we've done that one. Let's refresh the page. This link should update it by now. Remember, Notion's an online tool. Everything you do pushes online. Popsy has to pull it from there. So let's go to here. Yep, you can see it showing in the URL below. That one now works. So I've got 2 lead magnets up. Next thing, I'm going to point the domain over and we'll be live as such. Let's close that down and we can end this video. I think that's it for now on there. Let's kill it there.